Hello, dear friends. Are you or any of your loved ones experiencing any aches and pains in your body, or maybe some kind of illness or discomfort is really bothering you now and it is just not letting you live a very happy, fulfilled life? Many of us face challenges with our health, and often our thoughts and emotions can impact our well being. Yes. So you see, our thoughts, our emotions, our memories, they really influence our health directly and indirectly and lead to various illnesses or healing depending on the energy frequency that we are vibrating at. So now what can we do to raise our energy frequency and improve our health and feel much better? The key is to clear away all these negative memories and beliefs, my dear. And one of the most powerful processes is the Ho'oponopono process. Yes, it's an Hawaiian prayer which releases all our blocked memories, our blocked emotions which no longer serving us. So by focusing on the powerful prayer and by connecting with the divine, what do? We can shift our energy completely and invite healing and well-being into our lives. This prayer that I want you to practice with me in this video will help you to clear all your negative memories, your beliefs around health. And as we clean them, we create space for healing to flow into our lives. Now, what do I want you to do? I want you to think about first your current health situation. What are the aches? What are the pains that is really pulling you down, that is disturbing you? Are there any sickness or illness that is really not allowing to live a fulfilled life? First, I want you to focus on that. And more importantly, I want you to focus on the feelings and the emotions that you hold on, that you feel because of your health situation. So it may be like frustration, it may be anger, it may be anxiety, it may be helplessness, it may be hopelessness, whatever it is for you. I want you to just observe it, notice, and then we will turn them into the divine through our Ho'oponopono prayer. So let's begin the healing prayer together. So I want you to close your eyes and just repeat after me and just absorb this energy of healing. So take a deep breath. Relax your energies. With a big smile on your face, I want you to repeat these words after me. Dear Divine, I love you. I love you and I trust you completely. I know that you, being my creator, have always done the best for me. I love you for giving me this beautiful opportunity to heal my karmas, to heal all my memories, and to heal my body and restore my health once again. I love you for blessing me always. Today, I want to declare my unconditional love for you. I now believe that I am always taken care of. I love you, universe. I really love you. My God, my Father, my Mother, my everything. I love you for this life. I love you for my healing breath. I love you for your energy that is flowing in every cell of my being. Thank you. I am really sorry for the times that I have not been aware of the needs of my body. I am sorry for not taking care of myself. Sometimes I have ignored my body. I have provided it with food which does not serve me, which is not good for me. And I have not moved my body. I'm really sorry for that, dear Divine. I have taken my body for granted. And I'm really sorry for not being aware of whatever is standing now in my way and blocking my health and my healing. I'm sorry for the aches and the pains that I experience in my head or my neck or my shoulder or my back. I'm sorry for the discomfort I sometimes feel in my knees, in my feet, in my hips. I'm sorry for not taking care of it. I'm sorry for ignoring it. Dear universe, I'm really sorry for not being grateful for my present health. I'm really sorry for taking my life and my body for granted always. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please forgive me for all the times that I have ignored my body, even when the body was giving me signals. Please forgive me for not taking care of it when it was required the most. Please forgive me for not nurturing my body properly. Please forgive me for holding on to so much of stress, so much of tension or trauma that is affecting my body and my life now. Please forgive me for allowing these negative and my limiting beliefs of my mind to overpower the healing powers of my soul. Please forgive me, universe, for holding on so much to all my past experiences and my past memories and not opening the doors for your grace and for your blessings. Please forgive me for taking my life for granted always. I love you, universe, my dear, dear universe. I really love you. I love you. I love you for always supporting me, for always being there for me. And I love you, my dear body. I love you for carrying me through this life. I love you, my heart, for always beating for me even when I'm not asking you to beat. I love you, my breath, for always keeping me alive and energetic. Sometimes I've just not given you any attention, but you've always flowing through me. I love you. I love you, my body. Take your own name and one more time say I love you. I love you. I love you. And I thank you. I really thank you for bearing with me and tolerating me at times when I'm not taking care of you. I thank you, my dear cells. I thank you, my dear tissues, my muscles, for always healing me from within. And I'm sorry for any sickness or illness that has manifested in my body due to all the emotional baggage or my past karmas. Please forgive me for holding on into any past pains, any sadness, any fears. But today, I know they are not me and they do not define me. I am much bigger than all my problems. I am much bigger than all my past memories which is not serving me. I am much bigger than all my pains. And for that, I genuinely thank you. I thank you for releasing all of my negative emotions and cleansing my body and my mind. I'm sorry for any discomfort that I have caused to my heart, to my lungs, to my liver, kidneys, to my stomach, my intestines, and all the other organs. Today, I want to thank you for blessing me with the energy to heal myself. So thank you, my dear immune system, which has always protected me from the outside negative influences. And thank you for clearing away all the unwanted energies that are blocking me from living a life of health and vitality. I love you. I love you. I really love you for giving me the strength to heal today. And I now know that I have your power inside me, which heals me from within, even when I'm sleeping. So from now on, I trust you, Divine. I really, really trust you. Take your own name and say, I trust you. And I know that I'm always looked after by you. From now on, I choose to feel relaxed. I choose to feel at peace. I am an energy queen, and I understand that it is only my feelings that are attracting everything in my life. I love you, Divine. I truly love you. And I thank you today. Thank you for this awareness. Thank you for healing me completely. Please forgive me. I am sorry. Take a deep breath. One more time. Thank you. I love you. Please forgive me. I am sorry. So imagine the Divine with its golden light. So imagine your favorite God with a wand in his hand. And the wand is emitting golden light. So imagine you standing down in a very receptive manner. Open your arms and allow your favorite God to just sweep through the wand. So just feel it, picturize it as if your favorite God is sweeping the wand all over you with its golden light flooding you. Receive the golden light of healing. From your head to your toe, every part of your body is flooded with this golden light energy. And one more time, repeat after me. Thank you. I love you. Please forgive me. I am sorry. Thank you. I love you. Please forgive me. I am sorry. Feel the feeling. Just be with this feeling. Take a deep breath, relax your energies. You can gently open your eyes now. And thank you so much for joining this healing prayer. Come back to this prayer daily for the next 21 days to heal your body from any aches, pains, any sickness that has been really bothering you. We are ready now to attract a healthy, happy life. Take care. Love you.